Hey everyone, welcome back to the Sarasota Edit. Today we are at 6922 Mystic Lane in Sarasota. It is located in the Avalon community of the Palm-Aire Country Club. This home is a charming villa coming in at $435,000. It is conveniently located just north of University Town Center and easily accessible to the highway and top-tier dining. This residence features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, a den, plus a 2-car garage. The open floor plan feels light and inviting, designed for comfortable living and effortless entertaining. Thanks for watching. If you're dreaming about a move to Sarasota or are a local resident and would like expert insight for the greater Sarasota area, please give me a call. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of Sarasota's greatest homes. See you next time.